Welcome to another edition of Eric Spark Reviews. I am Eric, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Xiaobi 7-port USB 3.2 Gen 2 hub. Again, USB 3.2. That means that all of these ports are capable of transferring data at speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, which is super high speed transfer. Great if you have a Macbook Pro like I have, and you want to connect something to that Thunderbolt port to allow it to have multiple ports, which is how I am going to be using this. And let's take a look at what comes in the box. Let's get some of the peripherals out of the way just so we can see that you get all that stuff. So this is powered, and that's important. It means it's not going to be drawing power from your computer. It is powered on its own, and it comes, as you see, comes with the plug, the little USB-C to plug it in. Nice length of cord. And then you also get your data cord, and this is what you're going to use to connect this to your computer. And on the one side you've got the Type C, which will connect to that, and on the other side you've got Type C or A, so whatever you need to connect it to on your computer, whatever is the best port for you. For the 10 gigabits per second for USB 3.2, you've got either or, and that's really awesome that both are on here, so you can use it either way. And then this is the device itself. Of course, it does come with a manual, as you would expect. And then here we have the device itself. Get it out of the sleeve so you can take a look at it. First thing you're going to notice is just how simple and beautiful it is. Nice aluminum alloy finish. So it's going to look really nice just sitting on your desk. I also love how you've got like the shiny kind of rim around each one of these. It kind of gives it a really cool look. Very nice look. And you can see 10 gigabits per second. Every one of these are USB 3.2 rated, so they will deliver that 10 gigabits per second of data transfer. You've got the just nice logo down at the bottom. Not too flashy. On the back here, you've got your connectors. This is where you're going to connect your power. You've got the USB-C 5-volt in. That's where you connect that power cord that comes with it so that these all get power. And then you've got your USB 3.2 10 gigabits per second connector. That's where the data comes in. You're going to connect that to your computer for the data transfer. Also, just to note, you can see that there's rubber all the way across. I love that it's not just little dots, it's all the way across, so when you sit this on your desk, it's going to be nice and sturdy and stay where it's supposed to stay. It's not going to be sliding around a lot, which is great. Now, of significance, besides the fact that all of these are powered, two of them are fast charging. These two are designated as fast charging, so these will deliver up to 15 watts of power. So if you're looking to just charge a device, maybe you just want to charge your phone while you're working on your computer or something like that, you can connect to either one of these for that 15 watts of fast charging. The rest of these are not fast charging, but they are all powered. So if you're connecting a device that requires power, like a hard drive or something like that that you need to connect in order, you need to power as well as or even charge if you want to charge a device but not fast charge. Any of these are powered. They are all powered, so that's great. You do also have right there in the corner, you have a nice little LED, tiny little LED just to indicate that it is powered and functioning. So a really cool device, really simple, beautiful design by Xiaobi. It's going to look good sitting on your desk, and provides you with 3.2 USB 3.2 super fast data transfer speeds. The fact that you have 4 USB ports to give you that, and then 3 USB Type C. That's what I like. I have a 10 port similar device, but it's only 3.1, not 3.2, so that's like half the speed, and they're all USB-A, and so a lot of times I would want to connect a device that I have a USB-C to C cord. I got to go find a USB-C to A cord, and I love that this has both. The fact that you've got the 4 USB-As, the 3 USB-Cs, 2 of the ports that are fast charging up to 15 watts, and nice simple design. Really cool 7-port 3.2 high-speed 10 gigabits per second hub by Xiaobi. Really cool product. That's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.